Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Luno Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my investment journey of stocks and shares and cryptos with you guys as well. In today's video, we'll be having a look at the interest and the bonuses I've been earning on my cryptocurrencies for the last 2 months. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. So I want to share with you guys how much I earned in all my accounts in interest and bonuses for the month of April and May. So first off, we've got Luno. Now, if you want to find out more about Luno, I'll link a video on top where you can go and have a look at my tutorial about Luno. Now, in the Luno account, I personally invested 0.02. So I have earned £2.94 in the month of April. And I've earned £2.79 for the month of May. Now that has to do with the fluctuation, as Luno is very sensitive on the fluctuation of Bitcoin. So it does mean you can earn more or less depending on the price. Now next up we've got Kucoin. Now if you would like a tutorial about Kucoin, I'll link a video on top where you can go and have a look at a further detail about Kucoin. But I will be making another video in the future and going into a bit more explanation about some of the things in Kucoin. For the month of April I made £9.80 and for the month of May I made £17.38. Now that has to do with the difference with your futures and your daily return. Now that can fluctuate anything between 8% per week to 12% per week. So that makes a difference. And I also bought extra Kucoins that helped me earn more, but those coins weren't meant really for the bonuses. I bought those to be able to try out my trading bot. The plus side is while I was waiting for the price to go down so I can activate the trading bot, I also earned a few more, but that was only an extra 67 Kucoin, which was not added into my total investment. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm and I would appreciate your support a lot. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now next up we've got Crypto.com. Now if you'd like to find out more about Crypto.com, I'll link a video on top where I do a tutorial about Crypto.com and go into more detail about this site. Now for the month of April I earned $1.32 and for the month of May I earned $5.37. I also earned $4.27 with the supercharge, where you charge your coins and earn the coin that they are giving out at the moment, and the coin I was earning on was ENJ. So every 45 days they've got a new coin that you can supercharge. Now while I'm claiming my reward of ENJ, I'm also still supercharging for the next coin. So the next coin I'll be earning is Shiba, and that only has 5 days left for supercharging. Then we'll be moving on to the next coin, but I'm not sure what the next coin is at the moment, but we will be finding out soon. So after the supercharge period, I'll be earning my Shiba coins for the next 45 days. So I will be earning that in June and July. Now the last side I'm earning interest on is Nexo. I still need to make a video for you guys about this, but I was waiting on the first dividends to pay out before I made a video. But due to the community having a say, Nexo had a vote this month where everyone owning Nexo could say if they wanted to earn interest on a daily basis like we do with the other coins, or would we like dividends once a year. And the daily dividends has won out, so I'll be making a video about Nexo soon, giving you a full tutorial of how Nexo works. Now the total coins I've invested in Nexo is 255. I'll be giving you a breakdown of those. These are not as simple as the other ones, where Luno I only have Bitcoin, Kucoin that is just Kucoins, at Crypto that is just Crypto, and for supercharge you also use Crypto.com's own coins. Now in Nexo for the month of April I made $40.18 And for the month of May, I made $30.48. But the big thing I would like you guys to have a look at, in April I only made 10.301 coins, but in May I made 15.42 coins. Now the one thing I do like about Nexo is even if the price fluctuates, yes, the value of what you're earning is less, but sometimes you actually earn more by the price being down than the price being up. So let's go have a look at the breakdown for the Nexo coins. So here you can see the coins I've got. Now the free coins is ones I've earned from Coinbase, which I transferred over to Nexo because I'm earning interest here. So at the time of bringing these coins over, they were at the value of 33.39. The total amount of coins was 63.206. But at the time when I earned these on Coinbase, the total value for all the coins I've earned was $18.08. So even in that short time, the value has really gone up, which I'm really happy with. So next I've got Litecoin. Now at the time of adding this to my Nexo account, the value was 1,264 and the total amount was 5.378. And next I brought Ethereum into my Nexo account as well. Now the value of that was 3,641 at the time of bringing that in. That gave me 1.99 Ethereum, which I was really happy with to bring in here because I was earning interest on my Ethereum and I wasn't earning interest at a lot of other places. And the last one is my Nexo coins. Now I personally bought 185 coins at a value of 530 at the time. Now that has grown quite a lot over the last few months, which you have seen in my previous spreadsheet. So the overall investment into my Nexo account is 5,469 and the total amount of coins is 255. And for those coins, if we go back at the interest, I'm earning between 40 and 30 US dollars every single month at the moment. But as you can see, even though the value is less, the overall amount of coins I'm earning is more. And over the long run, that is the thing that's most important, because you want to have more coins even though the value is less, because the markets will fluctuate up and down. But overall for the month of May, I made £48.81, which I'm really happy with, as this is completely passive income. Now adding that to my stock dividends I'm receiving at the moment, I am earning £66.10 in passive income every single month, which is really great considering it's not even a year since I started my investment journey. But I'll also link a video here on top for you guys if you would like to go and have a look at my stock portfolio for the dividends I'm earning every single month as well. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.